Miss Keely climbing up her first steps.
She just figured this out about 30 seconds ago. Now we have to really get the gates going.
Good job, girl. Keep going.
Where are you going?
Where you going, sweetie?
Can you go up another step? Let's see ya. Let's see ya.
Oh.
Okay, Mama helped a little bit there just to avoid the fall.
All right. Good job.
Pretty good. Although again, this is sort of that positive reinforcement for probably not something we really want just yet. Now, the question is, can she get all the way up here? Oh yeah, no problem.
There you go. Hey,
There we
Keel.
go.
Hey, Keely.
Keely.
Hey, Keely, give yourself a clap. Keely, clap. Good job.